Today's video, we're going to be taking another look at a thrift store find here. Nice vintage 486 computer of some sort. I really don't even know what's inside this thing at this point. On the outside of this puppy, we've got a CD drive, looks like a quad speed, floppy drive, reset button, and the infamous turbo button that I hope actually works, and some sort of a lock. I don't know what that's locking, but I guess we'll find out maybe. I think this tells you whether you're high speed or low speed when you hit the turbo button. And it is an FIC LEO 486 GVT-2. And on the back, you got your power supply, input plug, output plug to monitor. Here you got your keyboard port. You got your sound card, video, some sort of serial port or something. This might be SCSI. More serial, maybe a game port, and serial or parallel. I think that's parallel. Modem. Looks like a speaker and a mic input. And another modem. It might be an Ethernet card actually. Wow. Old school Ethernet card. Let's take a look on the inside. So here's your insides. You got your power. Oh, wow. It's pretty wobbly there. Your power supply, CD drive. Floppy drive is back there, the hard drive is here. Sound card, Sound Blaster sound card. That's your video card, there's your interface card, another interface card. That's just an expansion off of that card. Okay, I see what's going on now. And your modem, and I think that's the Ethernet way down below there that you can't see. Let's see if we can get a better look. I'll probably take most of the stuff out just to see what it is. Starting at the top, we'll take out the sound card, take a close look at that. Doesn't look like any sound is coming out of the CD drive, so that's kind of sucks. I don't have any extra cables to hook it up. So there's the card there, a CT4170. This is just a Sound Blaster 16, nothing too fancy. So let's put this thing back in. Okay, next up, and what I'm really curious about is what kind of video card this is. Okay, here we are. What do we have here? Stealth Pro. It's a Diamond from '92. Diamond Computer System. Yeah, Stealth Pro VL. Take a look at that. Holy cow. All the chips. Look at all the chips in there. Cool. Alright, put that back now that we know what that is. Oh, yikes. And I'm not going to bother taking out the drive controller, serial, and stuff like that. You got a modem, and then this is the Ethernet card down here. What I am curious about though is the hard drive. Force that one in. Not compatible. Okay, power's out. Data is out. Okay, there's the hard drive. Whew. Yeah, it's a Connor. Everybody's heard of the Connor. It's nice, high quality Connor drives. Doesn't say how many megabytes it is. I'm curious what kind of operating system this thing's going to be running on. Hopefully it's not Windows, because I don't have a serial mouse. Plug this shit back in. Oh, great. There's no notches. How was that plugged in? Hopefully like that. I guess we'll find out. I love how small this thing is. It's not like a huge old school computer. It's got only 2 bays. You got one for, you know, your floppy drive and everything. Nice small form factor. I like it a lot. Start plugging shit into it. Another thrift store find. Nice fully mechanical keyboard, old school. Paid 49 cents. But nice built-in dust cover that's removable apparently. Plug this puppy in here. Like a glove. There it goes. let's hit the power button right there. It's on. It's very quiet. Oh my God. I hope that's normal. But I have a feeling it's not. I think something is very, very wrong. Oh, okay. Not so good there either. Is it the turbo button? No. Shit. Try it one more time here and then we'll start fiddling around here. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Well, that's better. It's promising. Okay, so we got 16 megabytes of RAM. Okay, disk boot failure. So that's either I plugged it in wrong or there's no data on the hard drive. So what we'll do, hit the reset button, go into the BIOS here and see if the drive is detected. Oh no. Fuck. Damn. Shit. Let me flip this cable around. I may have plugged it in backwards. Try that. Okay, try this again here. Power. Can't believe how quiet this thing is. Holy cow. Okay, we've still got video. Disk boot failure. Shit. Okay, let me get a boot disk here. Got a boot disk. It's for Windows 98. I'm assuming it should work on this thing. Control-Alt-Delete. Okay. It is trying to read the A drive. It is detecting the hard drive. I just noticed that, but it's still getting a disk boot failure. Shit. Does this work? CD drive doesn't work. No. So does a 486DX2. It's running 66 megahertz. So let's just turn this off and take another look on the inside. That's in there pretty loose. God damn it. Get back in there. There it goes. Take this out again here. What the hell is all this? Is this necessary? Try that. Plug it in, plug it in. Things seem off kilter. Yeah, it's still seeing the C drive. Did look up on how to reset the BIOS password. One of them said there's a jumper to clear it, or you could just take the battery out. I would assume that the battery would be dead by now. So we just gotta look for something that has to do with reset or something. First things first, I'll remove the actual battery here. There's the battery. And look for a jumper. Do not see one. Boy, I do not see any jumpers that really are jumping out at me. I mean, there's jumpers here, but nothing that's really telling me that it's going to reset the password. You know what? I'll keep the battery out, fire it up, and see what happens. And there's still a password. Alright, I'm just going to start flipping some jumpers here. I'm going to do this one first here. Oh no! Okay, so that one's flipped. So let's turn it on and see what happens. What the hell? Oh no. Not again. Oh shit. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. It's not looking good. Damn it. What the fuck? I wonder if that flipped it. So let's put the jumper back where it was. Maybe that has something to do with it? I have no idea. Okay, that's back to where it was. Come on, baby, come on. Password's gone! Okay, that's good. This is really good. That's good. Exit. Okay, let's just see what happens when it boots. Okay, that's good. That's fine. F1 to continue. Floppy disk fail, hard disk fail. Okay, well, this is looking different here. Does this thing? No, it doesn't work. Well, let's put a boot disk in and see what happens. No, we're getting there though. We are getting there. This thing's rubbing against something. I did put the battery back in there for the CMOS, so, and I checked the voltage. It is at 3. Oh shit! It's at 3 volts. Fuck. Damn. Damn. Oh boy, it's different. Huh. Something is failing. Out of range. Oh no. There we go. What I'm going to try doing is just unplugging the CD drive since it doesn't seem to work. And the jumper is on cable select, so I don't know if that might be throwing the hard drive in for a loop. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I got the freaking thing working. What I did is with the IDE cable, instead of using like the middle of the cable, I used the end, plugged that into the hard drive, and it worked from there. See what we got on this thing. Might be some cool stuff on it. It is dog slow though. Got games. Nothing. Sonic? This thing is not built for Windows 98.
2,000 years later.
Oh, took that long to bring up my computer. Holy shit.
Many months later.
Boy, I spoke too soon. It's not up yet. Let's bring up the MS-DOS prompt. Maybe that'll come up quicker. Cardoza. 2001. Wow, somebody's using this all the way up to 2001? Jesus. Can't believe that this is a 1.8 gigabyte hard drive. Wow, not bad. Whoa! I'm trying to kill a fly here. I think I got it. Whoa, what is that? Oh, that's the Sonic. Finally opened. Nothing. DS for Windows 2.0. Well, I think this hard drive needs to be, oh boy, needs to be formatted to get some regular DOS on it. Let's see if the A drive actually works. Looks like it's trying to access it, but I think the floppy drive is shot. It's trying, but I don't think it's gonna find it. Not ready. Not ready reading. Not ready reading. Okay, I had to retry. Doing the same thing. The light's just on here. That's the light right there for the floppy drive. Yeah, it's fucked. I gotta swap it out. So let me shut this baby down. Wait an hour for it to do its business. Windows 98. Inappropriate. It is inappropriate. I got another old computer that I found at a thrift store. Same thing. It's got a reset turbo. This one's got a sweet ass power button switch. Thing's got the lock on this one too, but I don't have the key for it. Floppy drive, CD drive. And this is the one I believe has the AWE64 in it. Got a nice mirror finish covers here for all the slots. This is your VGA card, modem, and sound card. Well, let's plug it in and see what pops up on this one. And with a flick of the switch, we've got a very loud computer that sounds like it has some water cooling in it. Yep, AWE64. Got a Max Tor hard drive. CD-ROM drive is working. CMOS checksum error. Default's loaded. That tells me the battery is dead in it, which I don't care about. I want to continue. This one's got Windows 98 on it. And again, I don't have a serial mouse, so I'm going to be navigating Windows with a keyboard. Turbo button doesn't work on this one. We don't need no stinking serial mouse. Okay, we're doing some driver action here for some reason. Juno. Sweet. That's all that's on here is Juno. Crystal Pleasure. Before the throne, there was a sea of glass, like unto crystal. No, spiritual. Just kind of hoping that was porn. Joan Miller. 32 megabytes of RAM. It's a Pentium processor. Okay, so looks like the A drive, the floppy drive, works on this computer. So what we might do is swap that out. But first, is there anything in this one? Yes, there is. Canon Creative Home and Printer Setup. What I think I might do at this point is swap out the CD drive and the floppy drive and put it into the main attraction. Shut her down. Actually, what I want to do is, let's see if I can get into the BIOS on this one. Okay, so this one I can get into. It's a lot of beige. Big reveal. So up top here we got the video card, which is another Diamond multimedia, a Verge S3 maybe. We got the modem and our nice AWE64. And this actually does have a cable for the CD drive. Screws are way down in here for the floppy drive. And the other one's like right there. Maybe missing something. See a screw right here. And screws down in here. So it looks like this is just kind of like a tray that will hopefully come out. Oh yeah, look at that. It's right out. I can get this floppy drive out of there nice and easy. Slide that out. And there we go. A working floppy drive. We'll take this CD drive out right now. I think I'm gonna just swap out one part at a time until we get everything working. Alright, so that slides right out. CD drive working, I think. We'll get that nice sound card out of there. There it is, the Creative AWE 64. Nice sound card. I think we're done with this. Let's get it out of here, get the floppy drive swapped out. Let's get the old floppy drive out of here. Slide this new one in. Okay, so let's get our floppy drive plugged back in here. Okay, I'm gonna take this CD drive out right now, maybe get the new one in, but not plug it in quite yet. 40 times max speed. Okay, new CD drive is in. Now let's fire it up and see if that floppy drive works. Floppy disk fail. What the fuck? Shit. I'm assuming I had it plugged in right, but maybe I didn't. Flip it around, I guess. Floppy disk in. Cable was the wrong way. Had to have been. Yes. And I don't think we're booting from the floppy disk, which is a sucky thing. What? Hold control key. Oh, Shit, I missed it. No wonder. Okay, well, floppy drive works now. Once we get into Windows, I'll double check that. Okay. Accessing. You can do it. I believe in you. What? Oh god. Now what the fuck is this? Holy shit, is this slow? Read. Read, damn you. Read. There we are. Files. Thank you. Okay. Good. Alright. Shut this thing down. Plug in our CD drive. Get that working. Shutting down. And we are set to slave on this, so that's good. Plug that guy in there. Never work on a computer when it's plugged in. I don't hear the hard drive. And that still does not eject. Son of a bitch. Always unplug. Let's try flipping this thing around, I guess. I don't know. I hear things. CD drive is working. I hear the hard drive, although the hard drive light is on. Okay, so that works. Don't think the hard drive is working now. Shit. Why am I getting a floppy disk and a hard disk fail? Let me make this the master again. Yeah, that'll work. I hear the hard drive. Thought I heard it. Okay. The hard drive light is staying on though. Floppy disk fail for some reason. There. Oh no. CD-ROM drive not ready. Retry. Right there is the problem. Okay, I heard the hard drive. I should look at the floppy drive. I have a feeling that's probably unplugged too. Floppy disk fail. Why? Why, I say, why? There we go. No error came up. Yes. Now, why isn't the floppy drive working? Some bitch. What does this say? A to boot from drive A. Hard drive. Multi-sector transfer. Insert a disk. Fuck you. So it looks like the floppy drive is plugged in properly. Why isn't it working now? It's still plugged in. And the card. Notches go on the top. Flip that around and see what happens. Hard drive's foobarred now because of the cable. But at least this thing doesn't work anymore? Yeah, okay. So it is plugged in the wrong way. Hard drive's back. CD drive is back. And we'll see if the floppy drive is working. There. Thumbs up. No! Oh. Is what? Huh? Okay, so I'm back into Windows here. And what I'm going to try to do is make a boot disk to get some sort of a DOS prompt here. Shit. Okay, that's not where it is. Well, maybe I can't do it from here. I thought I was able to. I just put in the MS-DOS disk 1. See if I can install it. Because this, I can't work with this. A to boot from the A drive, please. Insert a disk. Disk has been inserted. Fuck. You know what? Unplug the hard drive and see what happens. CD drive still works. Interesting. It does not like that, that's for sure. Okay, so I disabled the hard drive in the BIOS, and I was able to get that Windows 98 SE boot disk to boot up. So I do have a DOS prompt now, but I have no hard drive to install to. Okay, so for some reason I enabled the hard drive again, and it's booting off of that Windows 98 SE disk. What I'm going to do is Default delete because I was messing around with some of the settings in there. I'll get into that again here. So what I did, let's just see. Okay, see how this says 00? I went into ID HDD auto detection, and I just selected this. I thought maybe that had something to do with it, but I put these back to 0 and still booted in. So you know what? I'm not going to complain here. So what I'm going to do is this. Yes. And just let it boot up. I don't even have to hit any buttons. Just boots right into the A drive. I don't know what's different. I was playing around with the floppy and IDE controller that's in there. I popped it out. I swapped floppy cables, but that didn't do anything. So I put the old floppy cable back in. I mean, I haven't swapped. You know, nothing is new in there. I just removed and replaced. That's it. I can't find the CD drive, unfortunately. So there we are. We got our command prompt here. Let me try something here. Quick update here. I put the old CD drive back in there, the quad speed. Put the quad back in there. I took out the old Sound Blaster 16 and put the AWE 64 in there. And then I hooked up the audio cable into the CD drive right in there. I am currently making some DOS 6.0 discs, and we'll be right back with that right now. Okay, so I'm back. We got a bunch of discs with MS-DOS 6.0, and we got Windows on 6 discs, and MS-DOS 6.0 on 3. So let's put in disc number 1 and fire it up. Hopefully it's starting MS-DOS from the disk, which sounds like it. You know what we're going to do? Format, C:\\, which is located right there. For M key doesn't work. There it goes. I really had to push down on it. Not correct. Yes. We'll let that do its thing. Okay, so this thing is finally done. It's telling me that the boot sector is going to be modified. Yes. Yes. Boot sector, yes. Volume label, under for none. And for some reason it's only seeing 500 megabytes, but that might be a limitation of FAT32 or FAT16. Let me do a setup from here. Yes, we can. Install. I don't care about this. Okay, there we go. Man, I don't want to do that. Son of setup disk number 1. Here we go. Come on. Disk 2. Oh my god. What the fuck? What'd you do? Oh no. Son of... Was it supposed to do that? Shit. What the fuck? I wonder if I accidentally hit the reset button. Disk 2, take 2. Disk 3. Go. Oh boy, oh boy. Yes, yes, we do want to modify. Well, this is press enter. Okay. Okay, I will. I'll press enter. I'm pressing enter. Okay, good. Your original was saved on the Okay, press enter. Okay. No discs in, and we're booting. Come on. Load. Yeah! I think I'm going to install Windows 3.1. Alright, I'm going to go through, let this thing go, switch disks as I need to. Okay, so I got to disk number 3, and this popped up. So, put our name. Company is going to be blank. Continue. Okay. Well, once again, we'll let that go. Oh no. Oh, great. Just wonderful. Fuck you. Okay, I just skipped it and now it's going. Wonder what else is going to be corrupt on these discs. Yeah, wonderful. Alright, I'm on disk 5 and now it's telling me to select a printer, but I don't have a printer. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Okay. We're about 5-6 corrupt files so far. Tutorial, you'll be able to run the tutorial after Windows. Okay, we'll skip that. Okay. And we will reboot. This will be kind of awkward since I don't have a serial mouse quite yet. So this might be short-lived at the moment. Woohoo! It works, even after all those corrupt files. It's probably going to be a pretty broken machine, though. Look at this. Take a look at the file manager. Yeah, it's all there. Alright, let's exit, and I gotta figure out the CD drive now. Alright, so, state of the computer at the moment. I got the CD drive working, just installed the Sound Blaster software and drivers and everything. Then I'm ready to test it out. I've got some Need for Speed. I'm sure it's going to run terribly, but we'll find out. So, we got the D drive going. Hopefully, yes, okay. I see that there's installed D. I'm thinking D is DOS, W is Windows. Ooh, pretty picture. Let's install it. And also the floppy drive keeps going in and out of functionality, so I'm a little worried about that, but I've got the zip drive working, so test it. Holy shit, that was loud. Well, it works. That's cool. Alright, done. Let's see what custom install is. Oh my god, this is going to be really bad. The carnage. Alright, I'm guessing installation's done since it took me back to this screen. So, let's quit. Let's race. Loading. Oh, not as bad as I thought. No sound though. Let's do a car accelerate. Okay, shift gears. AZ. Oh yeah, there we go. Turbo. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. This whole time here, I thought that button had to be off. Look at that. so that turbo button works. That's cool. Sweet. Let's see what's going on with the sound here. I think we're good now. And all I had to do, I was having problems with the IRQ settings. Couldn't change them or anything. Took out the network card that was in there and also the modem, and it started working. Oh no, I didn't hear anything. Oh, I turned this off. Try it again. Nope. Okay, the volume was down maybe?
16-bit testing.
Thank you.
16-bit testing.
Thank you. Quit. Let's check out Need for Speed once again. Wait a minute. NFSC. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that's about it for the video. It's somewhat working. The floppy drive works occasionally. Right now I think I have a cable plugged in upside down. Sound seems to be working. Games are working. Not too shabby. I'm going to put this thing back together and probably make this my main DOS machine here. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up or whatever. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think.